Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. I am your Mars Pauline, and for today, finally, I will be revealing my very big surprise. So I have posted this on my Facebook and Instagram, and I have a very big news because I am partnering now with Shadrach Collection. Okay, so this will be a short vlog about Shadrach Collection, an unboxing vlog, and a giveaway. Okay, so kung ready na kayo para sa ganitong vlog, please don't forget to subscribe onto this channel and finish the video to get the giveaway for more videos like this. Let's go! Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. I am your Mars Pauline, and for today, I will be revealing my very big surprise for you mommies. Okay? So actually, ito ay isang early Christmas gift from me and Shadrach to you. Okay, so I am very proud to announce that I am now Shadrach's Collection brand ambassador. And what that means is that you will be seeing more about Shadrach's Collection in this channel. So, para sa mga bago sa channel na to, I am your Mars Pauline. I have 3 kids and I'm a full-time mommy. But as well as I'm also an entrepreneur, I am also an online teacher in the afternoon, kaya ganito yung boses ko. And I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse by profession. And yon, ang dami kong ginagawa. At minsan sobrang hindi ko na rin alam kung paano ko nagagawa yon. Pero if you're gonna be checking onto this channel, you will be able to know kung paano ko nga ba nagagawa yung mga ginagawa ko. At tutulungan ko rin kayong makadiscover ng mga items, mga brands na makakatipid kayo pero definitely makakatulong sa pagiging nanay ninyo. So, that's this channel. And yes, this channel is now partnering with Shadrach's Collection. Shadrach's Collection was founded by Mommy Jen. She is a mommy of 4. And Shadrach was actually the name of her 3rd child. So, nung dumadami na yung anak ni Mommy Jen, like me, sobrang hirap talaga. Sobrang aligaga. Like, imagine like you have 1 kid and lahat talaga ang hirap gawin. Hindi mo na alam paano mo maisingit yung mga dapat mong gawin sa bahay, tapos mag-aalaga ka pa ng anak. Imagine times 3 or times 4. So, naisip niya etong babywearing. So, yon yung pinaka-short history, Shadrach Collection. I will be doing an unboxing of the Grow With Me baby carrier. With Shadrach Collection, they have a range of items starting with baby carriers, baby wraps, ring slings, teethers, at marami pang iba. So please do check out their website. No? Swipe lang, check lang. Wala mo nang check out, pero swipe lang. Ganun naman tayo mga mommy, diba? Mahilig tayo mag-check, tapos i-add to cart natin. And finish this video dahil baka may ipamigay akong giveaway kapag natapos mo tong video na to. So for the history and other information, I will be doing a separate vlog about it. But for this video, I will be just unboxing it para makita nyo kung ano ba yung laman ng box na to. At kung sulit ba yung nasa loob ng box na to. So, without further ado, tara, mag-unbox na tayo. So that's it for this vlog. I do hope nag-enjoy kayo sa pag-unbox natin. I do hope nakatulong ako sa mga curious kung ano nga ba ang laman ng isang Shadrach Collection Grow With Me box. And ito na yung pinakamagandang surprise sa inyo. If you would be purchasing that Grow With Me collection, use this code and you will be getting 500 pesos off that carrier. Okay, so sagot ko na ang 500 ninyo para magkaroon na rin kayo nito dahil sobrang gumaan talaga yung buhay ko after ko siyang gamitin. So, I do hope nakatulong ang vlog na to. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below for more videos like this. Bye!